bronze peafowl, scientifically known as Afropavocongensis, is an impressive and majestic bird with a distinct bronze-brown coloration. It is also commonly referred to as the Congo peafowl or the African peafowl. This species is native to the dense rainforests of Central Africa, primarily found in the Democratic Republic of Congo. One notable characteristic of the bronze peafowl is its substantial size. The male, known as the peacock, can grow to a length of approximately 64 to 70 centimeters, while the female, known as the peon, is slightly smaller. Both males and females exhibit a similar bronze-brown coloration. The plumage of the bronze peafowl features a rich blend of bronze and brown shades. The male peacock's body is adorned with striking metallic bronze feathers, particularly on its head, neck, and breast. The wings display a mix of brown and bronze, creating an intricate and captivating pattern. The tail feathers are predominantly brown, with subtle hints of bronze adding to the bird's overall allure. The female peon has a similar coloration to the male, with a combination of bronze and brown feathers. This coloring provides effective camouflage in the dense rainforest habitat where they dwell. The peon's plumage assists in hiding from predators and protecting her and her offspring. Bronze peafowls are primarily ground-dwelling birds, inhabiting the forest floor and dense undergrowth of the rainforests. They are known to be secretive and elusive, making them relatively challenging to observe in their natural habitat. Their diet consists of a variety of food sources, including fruits, seeds, insects, and small invertebrates found within the forest ecosystem. They forage on the forest floor, using their strong beaks to search for food among the leaf litter and vegetation. During the mating season, the male bronze peafowl displays its grandeur through a combination of visual displays and vocalizations. The peacock erects its crest, spreads its wings, and emits distinctive calls to attract the attention of the female. These displays highlight the bird's enchanting colors and help establish dominance among competing males. The bronze peafowl, like other peafowl species, faces conservation challenges due to habitat loss and hunting, the destruction of its rainforest habitat, and illegal wildlife trade pose significant threats to its survival. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect this unique bird and its delicate ecosystem. In conclusion, the bronze peafowl is a remarkable bird with its magnificent bronze-brown plumage. Its substantial size, intricate coloration, and elusive nature make it a truly captivating species. Preserving their natural habitat and raising awareness about their conservation needs are vital for the long-term survival of this extraordinary bird.